So hello everyone, I welcome all of you at Geeks for Geeks learning platform. I'm Avnash, and in today's session, basically we have to discuss about our algebra PYQ. I believe that if you have seen that in the previous sessions, in the previous examination, algebra is a crucial factor, and we are seeing that a lot of a problem which are based on the algebra. On the algebra, if you are asking specifically which topic are really important, so I believe that the matrix section, okay, the determinant section, these are the certain topics. Even though in the matrix also there are some topics, like if I'm saying the rank of the matrix, okay, symmetry or skew symmetry matrix, then the basic properties of the determinant, they are a recurring topic. I have come up with the last 10 years of a question paper, okay, then 10 year of a question paper, but there is a one thing, right? Once I'm solving the 10 year of a question paper, they are not only belongs from the computer science, because in the computer science, we have only the certain amount of questions that are available. So just to increase, just to boost your theoretical knowledge as well as the analytical approach, for the computer science, we have picked up the topic. Also, there are some topics I have picked up with the mechanical, okay, then civil, okay, then chemical. So these where we are also taking some questions which exactly reflect our the algebra portion. So the algebra session will not complete only by today. It has to be complete by today and tomorrow as well. So approximately we are going to cover the 10-year question paper, plus here we are going to solve at least 70 to 80 problems, 60 to 70 problems we are solving. See, the thing is, once we are solving the 70 to 80 problems over here, it doesn't mean that we are only want to just to continue that part, okay, just want to revise that part. Our motive is over here just to understand which topic are important. If I'm covering this topic specifically, is it necessary? Is it coming on the examination? Second, if this is coming, then the what is the frequency of these concepts that are coming in the examination, okay? I have opened with the I can say that I have opened my YouTube session also, okay? So in that case, if you have any comments to say, please do comment, okay? Before going forward, I have one more notification for you guys. I believe if you are from if you are learning from the Geeks for Geeks, I believe that you have seen that every day all the faculties are coming online and they are basically teaching you. Now one more thing I want to announce you over there. If you are just go over there, I'm going to show you how to do this thing. Geeks for Geeks has given the special like a special gift to the students, okay? What is exactly I'm telling you? See this process very carefully. I'm just putting GFG gate test series, okay? I'm putting GFG gate test series on the Google. If I have searched, this is the first that is coming on it, okay? I'm coming at over here. It's just like they will ask about your name, phone number, that's it, okay? Once you have come up, okay, they will have the courses, right? Now in the courses part, what exactly is, we have certain things to free for you, which is called as our test series, okay? So test series is completely free for you guys. You can go over there, attempt the test series, see that how exactly you are performing. Now this test series is not only applicable, this is not only available for the paid student, it is free for all of you, right? Second thing, here, as you can see here, these people are already attempting the test, right? These people are already attempting the test. Accordingly, they are also getting the all over India rank, right? So in that case, you are also getting the all over India rank test things part. Here is the all over India mock test, then subjective test, topic wise test. Important of these things, once you are attempting, then you will understand what exactly the type of a question we are expecting in the future examinations, which is about to happen in February 2025, right? Second thing, in that case, you will also compete with the student who are actually attempting the examination. Suppose if the last year, the people who have actually attempting the test, okay, uh, they have just attempting the test, and after that they understood like, okay, this is the amount of a marks I am getting. But what if the people around you, they are getting the same amount of a marks? In that case, what will happen? the number of people are getting increasing by then, and then you will have to understand that is that 40 marks or 50 marks or 60 marks, how much marks is required for the my desirable thing. Okay, suppose someone is want to go in the MTech for IIT, someone want to go in the like PSU section. So in that case, exactly how much I have to score, every data will be over here, and this can be easily accessible by our courses. Okay, so I will come on this part again. After that, I'm going to start with the topic. First, I'm going to show you the question. I will give you 1 minute and then I will solve it. Okay, see the question. And I'm telling you again, our question is not only specific for our computer science and data science. I have taken the questions from almost all the branches, whether it's electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, computer science and data science. Why I have taken so? Because सिर्फ अगर हम लोग सिर्फ एक ब्रांच के लिए सेंट्रिक करें, so we have a less amount number of a question. From 10 years, if I'm going to consider only the computer science, I believe that you will only have 20 questions max, right? 20 to 30 questions max. But here I'm going to discuss about more than 60 to 70 questions. Plus, these questions are not recurring. Like if one time I have mentioned, this is how you have to find the rank. I'm not going to repeat the question about the rank question. This question, now it's go on, and we can go with the other part as well. Okay, I'm showing you the question, guys. You tell me you solve this part. Okay, first question, the equation x plus y plus z is equal to 3, x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 6, x plus ay plus 3z is equal to b have no solution when a is not equal to a is not equal to 3, infinite solution when b not equal to 9, unique solution when a is not equal to 3, more than one of the above, none of the above. Tell me, guys, the answer for this question, guys. Anyone? If anyone is getting the answer, please do let me know. Anyone who is able to understand, don't worry, we are not in rush. Okay, we have the time. I'm giving you, and there is no issue. I have written the complete solution as well. Okay, so I will share the complete solution, so you don't. I'm not going to explain that. Okay, this question is done by this. No, I'm not going to do this. I have written the complete solution as well for this question. So you just have to stop the video. This video is on the YouTube, so it is available for you always. You just have to stop the video, see the entire solution. For me, what is important, I'm going to tell you. Now, right now, you are preparing for the examination. Okay. So, system of a linear equation. In the system of a linear equation, you just go over there. In that, there is a 3 cases available for our no solution. Okay. For our no solution, for our infinite solution. Okay. And for our many solution. Okay, for our many solution, and there is, sorry, for our unique solution. Okay, so 3 cases are available for the linear equation which having the 2 variable and the 3 variable. I hope you remember, guys, right? Okay, so I hope you are remembering this part. So just go over there and search that part. What are the condition for this question? I'm going to explain this, what are the condition. But for the system of a linear equation which having the 2 variable, I believe that you remember that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then we having the unique solution cases, right? Then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, c1 by c2. We having the another like infinite, many or no solution cases. These are for system of a linear equation for 2 variable. We are focusing on the 3 variable. Okay, so see, we have the unique solution. Okay, the option is this. The option is this. Now, via the matrix method, how we are going to solve this? If a mod A is not equal to 0, then system is consistent and a unique solution given by x is equal to A inverse B. I'm again telling you this, guys. If a modulus of A is not equal to 0, okay, then there is only 2 cases. Once you are making the matrix, for this, if I want to make the matrix, tell me, guys, can I write like this? XYZ 1 1 1, then X2 Y2 Z is 1 2 2 and 1 A 3. Okay, this is basically what it is, that X Y Z. This is equal to 3 6 B, 3 6 B, right? So this is the case, right? Now, first thing what you have to find out the modulus of A. Modulus, it means that this part. You have to find out what exactly this is. So suppose if we have to find out 1, this will be 6 minus 2A. Okay, minus 1, that will be 3 minus 2. Okay, plus 1, that will be A minus 2. I hope if you are remembering that part, right? So if this part is equal to 0, then there is another thing. If this part is not equal to 0, then there will be the another thing. So I have first mentioned that thing. Second, so this is our modulus part. Okay, if it is not equal to 0, it means that just solve the equation. Okay, once you're solving the equation, A is not equal to 3. This is coming as our part, right? Since it is not equal to 0, it means that it has only one point. It has a unique solution case. So now coming back to our option, no solution when A is not equal to 3. When A is not equal to 3, in that case, this is the case of a unique solution, right? So we are going to find out the unique solution. Infinite and no solution case are discarded. Okay. Have you understood this question, guys? Please just let me know clearly in the chat section. I want your chat, please. Just let me know. Is it fine or not? Please respond in the chat section. Please respond. Is it fine or not? Please respond. Is it fine? Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. Just tell me, guys, is it fine or not? Okay. 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 From the people who are from the chat section also, just respond. Is it fine or not? Because see, this session I have come up with an idea like I understand most of you are not going to attend. Okay, all the student who are most of the student are only stuck in that just learning phase, like they are going to learn the bookish language and they are going to remember all the concept. But important thing is, once you are appearing in the GATE examination, this is my humble request to all of you, please consider the PYQ section. I myself are coming over here. You just have to just do certain things. From 2015 to 2024, I'm doing from here only in this session, right? You just have to do from 2009 to 2015, or if you are not able to do so, just revise that part. This is more than enough. I'm saying so. Okay. People from the YouTube, please respond as well. Okay, please respond. Okay. Next question. For what value of a k, the system of a linear equation 3x minus y minus 2z is equal to 2, 2y minus kz plus is equal to 1, 3x minus 5y is equal to 3 have no solution? Again, same question, consecutive year. Okay, consecutive year, I am getting this type of things. Let me check the other thing. Okay. Guys, solution. People from the YouTube, please respond. I just need yes or no from your side. I'm not asking for anything to respond more over there. Just write yes, no, you are getting this or not. That's all I want. Okay. Okay. So the question is, see, they have given the system of a linear equation. Okay. Now, when the system of a linear equation has a unique solution, it means that D is not equal to 0. Okay. When the system of a linear equation has an infinite many solution, it means that D is equal to 0, D1, D2, D3, all part is coming as a 0. If the system of a linear equation is a no solution, then D is equal to 0, D1, D2, D3 are not 0, right? So it means that everywhere where once you are doing so, the value is coming like this. Just find out the discriminant value, okay? So I hope that the matrix part, how we can get this, you understand how to do the matrix part, the modulus of D, okay? So D is basically nothing but 3 times of, from here, 2 minus 2 into 0 minus 5k, okay, plus 1, that will be 0 minus of a 3k, 0 plus 3k, okay, minus 0 minus 6. Okay, so this I'm getting from here, it is exactly equal to what? Minus 15k, and this will be plus 3k, plus 12, okay, plus 12. This part is equal to 0. From here, you can find the value of k thing. Okay, so I think the k value is coming as a 1. So k data is coming as a 1. Simple equation. Tell me guys, how many of you are not able to understand? It's just a simple equation. K is not equal to 1. I'm telling you one thing. If suppose if this question is coming in the GATE examination, likewise it is coming, how much time do you need to actually to solve this question? How much time do you exactly need to solve this question? From the Zoom and from the YouTube, please respond, guys. Actually, I just need a response from you. People who are from the chat box of the YouTube, please respond. From the Zoom, also respond. How much time do you exactly need to solve such kind of a question? I don't think so. It will require more than 2 minutes. If you remember the concept, that's it. If you're remembering, then 2 minutes is more than enough. Next. The area of a triangle in unit square whose vertex are given as a 4, 8, minus 6, 2, 5, 4. Now, important isn't 2020 question this is. Important is not like ABC data is given, the area of a triangle you have to find out. The important is this kind of a concept we are not looking at, like suddenly we got this kind of a concept. And from 2020 to 2024, 3 times they have asked this kind of a question. So now for this question, this was asked in the computer science actually. Okay. Later on they have asked in our electronics, and then they have asked in our chemical engineering. So like once they have got the trend, then they will ask continuously. So we need to understand the trend. There is no shortcut to clear the GATE examination. We need to understand what exactly their trend are. I believe that this question is really important. If in some of the examination, they will definitely want to ask, because right now it is missing from last year, so it might be possible they will ask for it. For you guys, what you have to understand, if the vertex is given, okay, then how to find the area of a triangle, this is what exactly you have to understand. Okay, so area of a triangle when the vertex are given, a is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, right? Just simply x1 y1 and x2 y2 x3 y3 data you have to put. So once I'm putting the data, that a is equal to coming as a 1 by 2 4 times of 2 minus 4, okay, then minus 6 times of 4 minus 8 plus 5 times of 8 minus 2, right? So this is exactly equal to a is equal to 1 by 2. This is 2 minus 4, okay, minus 2 minus 8. This will be 4 minus 8, minus 4 plus 24 plus 5, 6, 30, okay. So if you are this looking at this one, that will be 30 and 24, 54, 54 and then minus 8, okay. Then will give you the 46, that is a is equal to 23. Now, you know, once the option was given over there, no, the option was given as this 23, okay. So first of all, you have they have given one more option. If you're looking at this one now, 46 is given as a first option, right? Because if someone who forgot about that there is a 1 by 2 in the calculation, 46 incorrect answer they have given on the first part, okay. And then the fourth section they have given the 23. So this is how they are about to play with you. I hope this question is done. Anyone who is not able to understand this question is done or not? Is it done? Okay, that's great. See this one. If a is equal to 11, 20, 31, 41, then mod 3a is equal to k, then find the value of a k. You have to find out the value of a k. Anyone from the chat section, can you please respond? Anyone from the chat section? See this question? Anyone from the chat section, please respond of this. How to solve this one? Simply matrix are given, mod 3a data you have to find out is equal to k, then find the value of a k. We have to find out this data. Tell me guys, anyone who is able to understand this question? Okay. Okay. I'm going to show you. If the matrix is a square matrix, A1, A12, A21, A22, okay, so I think that you understand how to find out that the determinant of it. So determinant we have found out, and just remember this formula. If the matrix A, K dot A, okay, so if the order is written like this, it could be written as K to the power n into mod A. okay, where k is the element of a real number. This. Okay, so you remember this formula. Now, how many of you have seen this formula before? I don't think so, because there is nowhere it has written in our engineering examinations book. So if you're just following the book, I don't think so you will complete the examination. Just you have to go for the previous year question paper. Now, see, this question is not difficult. I believe all of you can easily understand that part. What you have to do now, you just have to go for the certain things. First, you have to find out the determinant of A. The determinant of A is exactly equal to what? 11 into 41 minus 31 into 20. Okay. You have found the modulus. Once you have found the modulus, it is coming as a minus 169. Okay, minus 169. Now they have to find out k to the power n. K to the power n, it means exactly equal to what? K is equal to 3. Okay, and n is equal to what? It's a 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So k to the power n is equal to 3 to the power 2. If you're just solving, the answer will be minus 1521. This is the answer. Tell me, how much time did you exactly take to solve this question? Hardly 2 minutes, right? So once you are attempting the GATE examination, understand, because the people who are actually ranker last year, once we are tutoring some of the student, they have joined in the September. Okay, now we don't have enough amount of a time to tell them how you can go through the entire syllabus. What I have done with them, I just start with for the mathematics section. I have start with them like I have tell them like I think all of you have just basic idea about the matrix, determinant, then integration, differentiation, partial differentiation, double differentiation, maxima, minima, all of these topics. You have the certain idea about it. But what you have to do in this topic, what topic are important, this is not you are able to understand. This is exactly you guys are lagging. Okay, some of you, if you are just understanding point right now what I'm telling you now, this will give you the huge difference in the marks. Okay, just do one thing. If you are in the third year, at least the people who can do, if they have already given the examination, I'm just telling you, or if the people who can do this thing, just before going in the examination, just do the PYQ. Okay, and any test series. Okay, any test series will give you the idea about are you able to sit 3 hours and attempt the questions or not. So just go over there and you will see that the questions are repeating. The concept are actually repeating. Questions may be changed, but the concept will definitely gonna repeat. Next, the triangle vertex of a 1, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, 7, the area of the square unit. Again, same question. Can you see this? Again, the same question. 2020, they have asked the question. Again, 2021, they have repeat the question, right? So I'm just showing you how exactly this has done. The vertex are given. The formula of it is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Put the data over there and you will get the answer for 25. I hope now, if you just got this point, I have just solved this problem. Within the after 2 problem, there is a one more problem come. This is like this. Okay. Next, see this question now. Function of x is equal to given as a 1 to xa, then 2 of fx minus f of 2x is equal to what? The question has asked like this. So now 2 of fx minus f of 2x is equal to what they have asked me. Okay. So how to do this question? See this thing. The function is given. So 2 times of fx, I think you can easily understand, like you have to multiply the function with the 2. This is 2fx. But what you're not able to understand is what is f of 2x. Okay. And the question is really easy. I'm going to explain this thing. Say this. This is the fx function. Okay. So find the fx value. The determinant of fx is equal to what? So a minus 2x, I believe this is, I think a minus 2x will be this. Now, f of 2x, it means that I'm going to replace x with 2x. Okay, so that will be a minus 4x. I hope you remember this point, right? Now they have asked for f of 2x is equal to a minus 4x. Now we have to find out 2 times of fx. Okay, so 2 times of fx is equal to what? Basically, in the 2 times of fx, we just have to do the multiplication. Okay, so 2 times of fx is equal to what? 2 times of a minus 2x, right? Now, what you have to do, you have to just find out the difference of it. So if I'm finding the difference of it, what will happen? This will be 2 of fx, as per the question is saying, 2 of fx. 2 of fx is equal to what? 2a minus 2x minus, this will be a minus 2x, so a minus 4x. Okay, this is equal to 2a minus 4x minus a plus 4x, right? I believe 4x will be cancelled, and then what will be the answer left? 2a minus a, which is equal to a. Okay, so our answer is equal to what? A. It's just like, it's a way too easy question. And if you have just go through the previous year question paper, but some of the students have asked me in the chat section, sir, I believe the previous year questions paper are easy, because no, these are not easy. The people who are actually in the examination, once they have faced the question, they have just think one time at least. But since I'm doing in front of you, that it seems like very easy. But these questions are not easy if you are not able to remember the conceptual part. Next. The determinant of the matrix x minus a x, y minus b, by, z minus c, z. How many of you remember the basic property of the determinant? Like once the 2 row are equal, once the 2 column are equal, what would be the value? Once we are changing the row to column, column to row, what would be the value? What if you are taking the common something from one row, then what would be the value? So these are certain things I want you to go through and make you understand. In that case, what will happen? Then you will have an idea exactly for which this question seems like very easy. If anyone can give me any hint how this question can be done? Anyone? Anyone give me any idea how this question can be done? We have a people on the YouTube, we have a people on the Zoom channel. Anyone has given me any idea how this question can be done? Okay, okay. Just a second. From transformation, they are saying, okay. Anything else? Anything else? Split and remove the common out. Okay. From rows. Okay. We have a certain solutions that we have received so far. Okay, no issue. People from the YouTube, please also respond for this question. From the YouTube, please respond. There is nothing, it costs nothing if you are responding over here. Okay. Just like I will also get to know that if you are able to understand or not. Simple question. This is, see this. I'm going to show you some of the properties of the matrix. If each entry of any row and column of the determinant is 0, then the value of a determinant is equal to 0. First property, for any square matrix A, mod A is equal to if we are doing the mod A and if we are doing the transpose of A, then the modulus of A and the transpose of A modulus will be same. If we interchange any 2 row or column of the matrix, it will get multiplied by -1. If any 2 or row column are same, then the value of determinant is equal to 0. Okay. Remember this 4 property. Yet there are 7 properties of the matrix. 4 I have mentioned in that session. 2, 3 or 3 property. I will eventually tell you once the question will be solved by the other problem. Now, tell me guys, we have this question given as a x minus a, y minus b, z minus c, a b, c, x, y, z. Okay. What I'm going to do is, I know one property, and this property, what I know this, if any 2 row or column of the matrix are same, then the value of a determinant is equal to 0. The value is written as like this: x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. Okay, ax, this will be by, and this will be cz. Just tell me one thing. if I'm from the row 3, okay, if I'm applying a one simple set, R3 can be written as a R3 minus R2. Can I write like this? Okay. So if I'm writing, there is no harm in this. I can write like this. So this will be x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. Simple. Okay. Now once it is done, then simply what I can say, the first row and third row are equal. Simply I'm applying the property of the determinant. If two row or two column are equal, then the determinant value is equal to 0. For this, the value of it is equal to coming as 0. Okay. Answer. Next, what is the determinant? The value of a determinant of I square, iq, I4, I6, I8, I9, I12, I15. Before proceeding further, I'm going to make sure that you remember this part. I is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, iq is equal to minus I, and I4 is equal to 1. These four things. Okay, just remember this part. And now on the basis of that, you can first involve this. I is equal to 1, I is equal to I square can be written as a minus 1. Okay, IQ is equal to minus I4 is equal to 1. I6 is equal to what? I6 is nothing but, I can write like this, I4 into I2. This is I6. I8 is equal to what? I4 into I4. That is equal to 1. That is equal to minus 1. Okay. Same goes with I9. Okay. I4 into I4 into I. So 1, 1, I. Answer will be I. I12 will be I4. That is equal to I4 is equal to 1, 1, 1. That is equal to 1. I15. So likewise, you can go for this and just simply solve the determinant. Say this. The value I have put over there. So the determinant value is coming as a I minus 1 minus I, 1 minus 1, 1, I, okay, 1 minus I. Okay, this is the value is coming. I'm expanding that part. So I, that will be I minus 1. This will be plus 1. This will be minus I, minus I. This will be minus I. Let's cancel 1 plus I. Okay. Solving this part, this will give you the I square minus I square minus I plus, sorry, not plus, minus I 2I. Okay. And this will be I into 1. That would be minus I minus I square. Simply solve this one. I square get cancelled. That will be minus I minus 2I minus I minus 4I will be the answer. Simple. Okay. So minus 4I will be the answer for this question. Simply you have to apply. Now the important thing is remembering the complex number concept. When I square, IQ and I4, what would be the value? This is a really important part. Okay. Next. A is equal to x to 4x. Determinant of A square is equal to 64. Find value of x is equal to what? Can you anyone can solve this question? Anyone can solve this question? Anyone can give me the hint for it? Anyone can give me the hint for this? Okay. Okay. See the question. A is equal to x to 4x. Determinant of A square is equal to 64. So the regular people, what they will do is, they are going to think, okay, I'm going to do the A square, then I will find the determinant of it, and then whatever the value is coming as x is equal to 64, I'm going to equate the equation and find the value. Okay. Now, how we have to do this? First, remember this thing. A to the power n is equal to mod A. Just one property, remember this part. Okay. How we are going to use this thing, I'm going to tell you. Okay. So mod A is equal to what? Mod A is equal to x square minus 8. So mod A is equal to x square minus 8. This will be thing. They are asking for A square. Okay. So mod A square, that is equal to a square, that is equal to 64. Whatever the data I have just written, I can apply this over here. So mod a is equal to what? 8. I can write like this, mod a is equal to 8. This is the mod a and this is the 8. Okay, it means that simply x square minus 8 is equal to what? 8. So x square is equal to 16. X is equal to, here there will be the issue. Okay, some student will just write plus 4, but the answer will be plus minus 4. Okay, this is the actual thing. Now coming to the answer part, you have the answer of a plus minus 4, right? Same. Okay, this year in 2024 they have asked the same question. Okay, in the aerospace engineering they have asked the same question. What they have given, but it was the MSQ. They have given plus 4, minus 4 and 2 3. Okay, so the student, most of the student, the first they haven't noticed that part. This was the MSQ question. Second thing, some people, if we have, they have solved this part, they have clearly just written that x is equal to 4. They have just clicked the option number 2 and that's it. But in the MSQ, there is a one condition. Until unless you are not marking all the correct option, it is not considered as a full marks. Even that, if you are not, if those people who have just counted for 4, okay, they are not getting any marks. There is no negative marking, but still they are not getting any marks. Okay, so on the basis of that, remember 4 and minus 4 in the MSQ, the both will be the answer. You have to just click as well. Okay, next. See this question, no solution. Again, same question, no solution. I'm going to show you the answer for this, guys. The system of the equation kx plus y plus z is equal to 1x plus ky plus z is equal to kx plus y plus kz is equal to k square has no solution. Now, for the no solution, I believe that the determinant of a, it should be equal to 0. Okay, once you are making that part is equal to 0, now just doing the 3 questions, remember that part. Okay, you can remember easily, like, okay, this is the things they are asking again and again, that the solution, no solution, or infinite many solutions question they are asking. Again, you can solve this part. See, the condition, I believe you all remember, that if the determinant of a is not equal to 0, we have a unique. Again, remember, if it is unique, then it will be the consistent. Okay, there is one more word. If the determinant of a is equal to 0, it means that the system is consistent with the infinite many solution. If the determinant of a is equal to 0 and adjoint of a into b is not equal to 0, then it is inconsistent and no solution. So if we have a solution or infinite many solution, system will be consistent. But if we have a no solution, then system will be inconsistent. Okay, let's solve this part. Simply the question is given, we have to just go for the determinant of a is equal to 0. So k1 1 k1 1 k, that will be k square minus 1 minus 1, that will be k minus 1 plus 1 1 minus k is equal to 0. So that will be kq minus k plus 1 plus 1 minus k is equal to 0. kq minus 3k, kq minus k 3k, okay, plus 2. kq minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. kq minus k 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. You have to solve this one. Okay, now once you are getting the cubic equation, what is exactly happening in the cubic equation? You will see that the questions are, there is a possible answer for k. You have to just go for the hit and trial method. Use k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 2, and then you will solve it. Okay, so through this, if you are just putting the data here, it is given the option, no? So you just have to go like option wise as well, or you can just find a hit and trial method. So k is equal to 1 and minus 2. You just put that data. On that, there is a k is equal to 1 and minus 2. Okay, so these are the topics are given on which we have to put the data and become equation will be find out. So for the no solution, the k is equal to data is given over here, and you have to find out. That's it. Okay, any doubt in this? Any doubt, any confusion in this? Anyone has any issue? Okay, next question. Find the value of a determinant 3a for the following matrix. A is equal to 471 minus 132 minus 205. Find the answer for this. Solve the question, find the answer. Find the value of a determinant of a 3a. Okay, I have just mentioned. Okay, I hope now you are getting this. My motive is once we are solving this part, the formula I have just mentioned. Okay, determinant of any we have any matrix of A, which is n cross n. Okay, so determinant of a CA, okay, is equal to C to the power n, and determinant of A. I have just used this formula for one question. Now I believe now you are getting my point. Every time once I'm solving this kind of a question, the concept are repeating. Now anyone, if you have gone through this, I believe the second time once you're attempting, there will be no issue with this. Okay, you remember this formula, you can get this question. Simply, for this question, we have to find out the determinant. Okay, so determinant is equal to what? 4. That will be 15 minus 0. Minus 7, that will be minus 5, and plus 2, plus 4, this will be plus 1, 0 minus of 6. Okay, so that will be 60. Okay, that will be 5 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 7. Okay, plus 7, and this will be plus 6. Okay, so this is exactly equal to 6, 6, 12, 13, 73. Okay, so the determinant we have got it. We have getting as a 73. Now the determinant of it is equal to what? 3. Okay, so the value of this is 3 to the power 3. How we have come up with 3 to the power 3? See this thing. The 3 into A. Okay, 3 is from here, and we have to find out what is the our order of matrix. It is 3 into 3. Okay, so that's just have to find out. So 3 into 3 into 73. If you are just solving this part, so 9 into 73, which is equal to 1971. This part you can do with the calculator. Okay, and then you will get the answer for this question. 1971 is the answer. 1971. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay. Anyone has any doubt, any issue with this? Please let me know. Anyone has any doubt, any issue? Okay, quickly do the other problems. What are the value of equation when x satisfy the equation x02 2x21 111 plus 3x plus 3x02 x square 21011 is equal to 0? Give me the answer. Is this session is worthy? Like, do you really think that this session is helping you guys or not? Because we are doing the kind of a crash course over there. Okay, at the less amount of a time, we are trying to cover the maximum number of questions. Do you really think this part is useful to you guys or not? From the YouTube, I'm not getting any response. Please respond, guys, from the YouTube. People are from the chat section. From the YouTube, please respond. If anything you want, and if you are coming up with any idea like, sir, I want to complete with this, please respond as well. Okay. If anyone who want me to go with the other topics as well, they want to go for the other topic me to cover, please respond. I will cover that part as well. Okay, now we are doing this question. There are two determinant are just given. Okay, over there we have to find out the answer. First method is just simply what the people do, that they are going to solve with the first part as a determinant of it, the second part as a determinant of it, and then solve. Simply expand that thing. If the one determinant is given, so x into 2 minus 1 minus 0 into 2x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 2 is equal to 5x minus 4. Second one is a 3x 0. If we are so 3x into 2 minus 1 minus 0 into x square minus 0 plus 2 into x square minus 0. If these two are finding out, then you just have to add on this data. Okay. Once you are adding this one, you are getting the value of a 2x square plus 8x minus 4. Simple. So 2x square minus 2x square, the value is coming as a 2x square plus 8x minus 4. I think from here, all of you have got it, right? This part is easy, not done different. Applying the value for the simple value, so that will be minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square 64 minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 divided by 2 into 2. Okay, that will be equal to minus 8 plus minus 64 plus 32 divided by 4. Okay, 64 plus 32. Now, if you are opening that part, 64, okay, that will be 96. Okay, so once you are opening that part, so 8 plus minus, so in that case, what will happen? 8 plus minus, that will be 96 divided by 4. Okay, if we are factorizing 96, what will happen? 96, if I'm factorizing, so 2, 4, 8, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it means that out of it, 4 will be coming outside. So 8 plus minus 4 root 6 divided by 4. 4 I can take common. It will get cancelled from denominator. So that will be 2 plus minus root 6. Okay. And this data is coming like this. So minus 1. So minus of 2 plus minus root 6. Easy question, easy problem. From one problem, the gate wants to check your ability to do the theorems which are Pythagoras that are from the our quadratic part, then solving the system of a linear equation part, then finding out how to find the determinant. Okay, these three concepts they have checked with the one problem. This is exactly how gate work. I hope if you remember that GATE having the 11th subject, or in the normals topic, in our data science we have 6 topics. Okay, 6 to 7 topic. In that case, is that out of 100 number of a question paper, how they are going to do this? Now they have to check each topic. They have to check that does the student understanding this part or not. So basic concept they are going to fetch from the specific, and then they are going to combine that concept and make a good question. So student always think like there will be one question, okay, and that will be the huge question the gate will ask. It is not how gate work. The gate work like simply the gate work like because simply we have the a lot of a concept. Okay, we have to cover that concept. For that they will ask a simple small questions from each and every segment and then solve it. Okay, next question. Again, A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, mod A is equal to 5, then what is the value of a 5A? See, the third time this question is repeating. Third time this question is repeating, I'm just showing you the answer for this. Okay, the formula is equal to, I hope you remember, determinant of K is equal to K to the power and determinant of A. Modulus of A is equal to given as a, the determinant of A is equal to given as a 5. Okay, K is equal to given as a 5. Okay, so basically what you have to find out, in that case the matrix is given. Okay, in that case what will be the answer? 5 square into 5, which is equal to 125. Simple answer, 125. Okay, easy question. Okay, see this question, given the matrix A is equal to 6.5 minus 2.5, 2.5 minus 2.5, 6.5 minus 2.5, 0, 0, 4, for which the matrix B is equal to such that B square is equal to A. Okay, now one people will do that B square is equal to A. They are going to check each and every one. Okay, they are going to square B square, B square, B square, B square, and then we have to find out the A. Okay, can anyone give me the idea for this question? Can anyone give me the idea for this question? Anyone can give me the idea for this question? Okay, I'm giving you the hint for this. Okay, pick any row. Okay, I'm saying to pick any row. Suppose if I'm picking first row, okay, first row. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find out in the first row. The first row will be how it will be working, like 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. This is how it will work. Okay, so check the value. If this value is coming as, because b square value we have to find out now. Okay, so this is how you have to find out this first and this. Okay, so this will be actually this will be 0. So check this data, okay, whether this data is coming as correct or not. If this data is matching as a 6.5, then this one is a correct. Okay, then second option, again you have to check for either check this one or the second row. Just check the bit of it. If it is not coming, leave that part. Again go for the second one, third one, so you don't have to multiply all of them, right? Say this. Diagonal element of A are 6.5, 6.5, 6 and 4. Okay, second approach. Diagonal element is equal to what? 6.5, 6.54. Okay, check for the first, where we have to find out the diagonal element. So see this, if I'm doing the first diagonal element, what would be the value? Here, if I'm squaring that part, that will be exactly equal to what? 25 by 9. That will be 25 by 4, and that will be 1. Okay. From here, if I'm checking that part, the option is matching or not with it. Tell me, guys, the options are matching or not? Over here, that is coming as a 1. Over here, it is given as a 4. I don't think so the option is matching. Okay, let's go for the another one. Second option, 3 by 2, we can say that 9 by 4. Okay, so from here I'm getting 9 by 4, 49 by 4 and 4. See, 4 is matching. Okay, so 49 by 4, I think that will not be coming close to the 6.5. So this is also discarded. I'm going to discard that option as well. Third option, 4, that will be equal to what? 25 by 4, 25 by 4, and then that will be 4 by 2. I think this will, the last option, this will become 4 by 2. This is not also coming as a correct one. Okay, this will be square. Okay, 16 by 1 by 2, that is coming as a perfect one. Okay, so multiplying with this will give you the correct answer, definitely. Okay, the fourth one is giving you as the correct answer. So this is, they want to kill your time as well. Okay, then they want to go for the specific thing, and then they will ask you the random questions on this. So this is exactly, we have to go for the option number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to select which one is correct for this. Okay, so far any doubt, any concern for you? Any doubt, any concern? I'm stopping this session right now. Okay, this is all for today. Before stopping, I'm going to come up again on this topic. See this. I mentioned that part again. And the Geeks for Geeks, once you are just typing the Geeks for Geeks GATE test series, that's it. Okay, they will redirect to on this page. Here all the test series are available. Okay, you just have to go and find out the test series, right? All the test series, as you can see, every test series is available. Okay, so you have to attempt that test series. For that, if anyone is getting the good marks out of it, they will definitely get the goodies from our side. Okay, the goodies and the prize money, these will be reflecting on the portal in the meanwhile, but you can start it from here only. You just start with the test series. It is the subject wise, it is the topic wise, it is the subjective test, all India mock test, everything is available. On the basis of that, there is a leaderboard option also even over here. Here you will get that your ranks, like these people, they are getting these ranks over here. So you are going to get this rank over here, and accordingly the people who are getting score good over here, they will get the certain marks, okay, so certain goodies out of it. Second thing, first, this is the free. Okay, this test series is completely free. This is completely up to date. Okay, there is no need to pay. And third thing is the detailed solution we are going to come up once the test series started. Okay, it is already on the live mode. Okay, so every test series has a specific time. Okay, for the test series number 1, okay, it has like 4 to 5 days. Once you have done, then it will be on the another mode. So we are coming up over here and solve the complete test series 1. Okay, so from here, you will also get an idea what is exactly involved over there and what kind of a question they are saying, right? Second, once you have done this, then the subject-wise topic we are also going to solve over here. So each and every topic we are going to solve over here. This is completely free. There is no charges for that. You just come over here and just do it, okay? This is the last time of the GATE examination, okay? You just have to do as much, try as much as it is possible. Any day, any questions, any doubt you would like to ask, please just let me know. I am hearing right now. Any question, any doubt, if you have, guys, please do let me know. Tomorrow we have a one more session on the algebra. Like the topics we have covered today, we are going to cover a lot more topics by tomorrow. I think we have covered 25 to 30 questions almost. Okay, quickly we have solved this one, but I have mentioned now we are going to cover that 30 to 35 questions more, right? So almost that is a 60 to 70 type of a different questions we are about to solve, and this is the way we are going to cover that part. So in 1 hour, if you are solving, it means I try to take the only data which are coming as like this, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and I have just choose randomly. Okay, I am not going to say that okay, I have only picked up those questions which can be solved within the 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It are randomly, so there is nothing I'm specifically planned for it. Okay, it's just like I have just picked the question number 2024. I have randomly choose 4 to 5 branches, fetch the question of the algebra, then 2023, 22, 21, and I'm focusing on the 5 to 6 branches. Computer science, data science, since data science has not PYQ, so data science only 1 year. Then our electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, 4 core branches, because the data science syllabus is very much mapped with these 4 branches. Okay, so I'm going to cover that part as well, and all the questions we are seeing right now, this is available on the portal. You can go and watch over there in from your side too. I'm just doing one thing. I'm giving you the idea about what kind of a concept are concept are required for before going in the examination. If you're just going to cover the entire syllabus, that is not very useful. We have to cover those topics which are coming in the examination. Eigenvalue, eigenvector, rank of the matrix which is coming in the examination. Now you guys are only focusing on the singularity or this kind of a topic which is not coming in the examination. So what is the use of it, right? So this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for being in the session. See you guys tomorrow at same time, 5 o'clock. Tomorrow there is no 5:30. There will be a 5 o'clock session by tomorrow, and we are going to cover some more 30 to 35 questions by tomorrow also. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Okay, bye bye.